So this is our tent, our belt tent in the winter time. We have a little bit of rough winter, but here inside this wonderful tent, it's cozy and warm. There's a nice bed. So, and there we have Charles. He built something to keep this warm and cozy. Tell us, what did he do?
This is a little buddy eater. Well, first of all, I put this. These are just some tiles I had extra for the foundation. It actually it radiates heat. This stays warm.
What's the brand?
It's called the Mr. Buddy. It's just a small one.
Okay.
And here is, believe it or not, this is a propane tank in here. I just built this.
Wow.
I just made it out of some scraps that I had. And there's
Wow.
propane tank.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, it's all tight. I checked that. It's nice and tight. What I recommend is every time you take this off or you put it back on, you get some soapy water and you make sure there's no leaks.
Okay.
Soapy water will bubble up if there's a leak. Okay, now I'm going to open it up. Okay, and then I'll put the lid back on.
That's great. Cute little box. I love it.
This, you also make sure this is tight. This has an adapter, and that should be tight too. Test that with soap suds also. Now here, this is really easy to use. Here's the, this is off. Here's pilot. So you push down and you turn it to pilot. And when this comes on, there, see the fire? A little bit of flame right there, that blue flame.
Yeah.
And you hold it down for a few seconds, then you let it up and you turn it to low. And
there it comes.
then you can turn it to high. You have to push down to turn it to high.
Wow.
Now I'm going to, wow, that's hot. Oh, wow, that gets hot fast, doesn't it?
Oh man, yeah.
I'm going to close the tent so we can see that glow.
Yeah. Just have that. Okay. There we go.
If you can see that yet or not.
Yeah, you can see it.
But man, that gets hot fast.
Yeah, I can tell.
And I'm going to move this a little bit forward.
So we finally found a solution to heat up the tent in the winter time. So you can come here anytime. We have winter green here. People come for skiing or snowboard, and they can still stay in a cozy and warm belt tent. Nellisford, Virginia. Greetings from Earthwise. Anything else you want to say?
Nope, but it really heats up fast. I put a little thermostat here.
Mm-hmm.
And it was at 25. I had turned off for a little while, but it'll be around 70.
Wow. Awesome.
And actually within 15 minutes.
So better close that tent.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Awesome.